Welcome to PhotoRelief. My name is Maarten and I'm one of the founders from this company. Today we'll be giving you a quick tour about the specially developed K-Lens and what you can do with it. K-Lens is a spin-off from the Max Planck Institute in Germany. We've been in touch with them since 2015. We've met them in Saarbrücken and also at the Photokine fair. They have developed a very special lens to capture depth information. A great solution to capture depth with just one click. And it works with any full-frame digital camera. These photos can easily be used for making photoreliefs. A photorelief is a photo with a real depth. You can literally touch and feel the photo. For this tutorial I'll be using Photoshop 22.4.2. I drag K-Lens sample file from my Explorer into Photoshop. The link to this file is in the description. The image needs to be square in order to fit in the frame. To do so, set the workspace to Essential. Now we can crop the photo. You can see the RGB layers and the depth layer. Create the relief by New Mesh from Layer, Depth Map to Plane. The relief is created, but it's based on the RGB values of the photo, not by using the gray values in the depth map. To solve this, select the depth map in the Layers tab. Invert the map with Ctrl+I. Select all, Ctrl+A and make a copy, Ctrl+C. Double click on background depth map. Replace the photo with the depth map by using Ctrl+V. The relief is now created, but it's oversized in the Z direction. This can easily be scaled down by the 3D manipulator. But the exact dimension can be typed in the Properties tab. Next is importing the wall with a square frame. Set the unit in the Properties tab to millimeters. Both layers need to be aligned. First select the photorelief, click the 3D tab and set the default camera. Do exact the same for the frame. Also set the dimensions for the frame to millimeters. Drag the frame under the photorelief. Select both layers. Merge both layers together. Notice that the frame has the correct dimensions. Select the back plane of the frame. Read the position of the properties frame. Select the photorelief and enter the new position. X is 0 and Y is 750. The photorelief is now in the right position in the frame. Only the blue back panel is still visible, so the photorelief must be moved slightly forward. Just select the Move tool and slide the photorelief a bit. Now it is proper positioned. Let's change the texture of the wall. Click on the wall texture in the 3D panel. Select in the Properties panel the new texture. This is a nice one for now. Now I want to change the texture of the frame. A goldish frame would look nice. Select the scene for a better preview. For a certain depth, select the dimensions in the Properties tab. Click on the small icon to deselect Uniform Scaling. Enter a thickness from 10 mm. This is how the final photorelief looks like. Now without the frame to see the depth of the photorelief better. And here's the final result. We've printed the photo, put it in a picture frame, and as you can see, it has really depth in it. You can feel it. If you're interested in having your own photorelief, send us the photo you've made, and for 449 euros, we can create your own photorelief. Hope to see you around soon on our YouTube channel, and feel free to visit our website www.photorelief.eu. See you around!